Good day, grade 3 students. So for today, we're going to talk about consumer health. Specifically, we're going to learn about consumer education and its components, factors that influence the choice of goods and services, and the skills of a wise consumer. So what is a consumer? Consumer is a person who uses health products. They're also the one who receives health services and the one who uses health information. Then what are the different components of consumer health? So we have the number one, health products, just like the good grooming products or the food products. So people buy and use health products. These products make us strong and healthy. The second one are the services that you get from the other people. It may be a services from your dentist, services from your doctor, or services from a hospital. So these services make you healthy. They are called health services. You need to get health services even if you are feeling well. This will help maintain your good health. And for the last one, you have the health information. These are the notices and warning signs that will keep you safe. These tell you the bad effects of the products and services. So usually, you can find those health information on the cover of the product that you buy. Doctors, dentists, nurses, and other health authorities also provide health information. Then we have the different factors that influence the choice of goods and services. What affects buyers and users in choosing products and services? So consumers decide what to buy based on the following factors. Number one, what consumer wants or likes. So it is the desire of the consumer to have that particular product. For number two, what buyers and users feel about that product. So usually, a consumer has a feeling on that specific product. He or she may buy it just because he loves the product or he loves the color or something else. For number three, price of the product. So it is very important to budget. So a consumer will consider his or her budget before buying some product. So usually, the cheaper product will be the choice of the consumer. Number four, what is important to the consumer? So consumer just buy the thing that they need. And number five, what other people say about the product. Other people or other person might be one of the factors that influence a person to buy a product. So how will be a wise consumer? You need to think about these things when buying products and services. These are what wise consumers do. First, a wise consumer plans what to buy and how much to spend. He and she also asks questions about the product or service. A wise consumer compares products or services. He is also one who bargains. And lastly, a wise consumer is the one who reports defective products or bad services. So that's all for today, kids. Goodbye. God bless.